Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a Discord mobile tutorial on how to add a spoiler to your text. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is just when you're typing in your words that you want to make sure you have a spoiler on, just double click it so it says the two lines. Now, they're next to the slash symbol on your keyboard, and I believe they're next to the slash symbol on the keyboard that appears on your screen when you're on your phone as well. And then all you need to do is type what you want to say, which is, for me, is spoiler for new movie, and then two more slashes at the end of the sentence, and then it'll go ahead and add a spoiler to that text, so then somebody has to click on it to then see the text. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a Discord mobile tutorial. Thank you.